Hey, all lovely people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new, hey, my name is Kartika. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give a video a thumbs up if you like beauty reviews. So in today's video, I'm going to review the Electric Glow color changing lipstick. Yes, you heard it right. It's a color changing lipstick which changes based on the pH of your lips. So I'm really curious how this product will work on my lips. So without further ado, let's dive into this video. So this is the product we are going to be reviewing about. I really love the packaging. Like it's so sleek and its holographic tube is pretty futuristic. Like I love the electric vibe that is going on with this product. Its price is also pretty affordable. Like you can get it in a very cheap price, and I love it. The packaging wise, so yes, it's very cute. Like when I saw this online, because of the packaging itself, I was sold out. And I saw some TikTok reviews too, where I saw the color of the lipstick and I was sold out. It was so pretty and very unique, which I feel about this product. So yeah, now let's apply it on my lips and see how it works on my lips. This is how the product looks like. It's so pretty and sparkles really so cute. I mean, I feel like putting it on my lips. So let's see how it looks. Pretty much I can say is that the texture is pretty good. It's gliding on pretty easily onto my lips. And let's see, it will take time for the color to build up. But everybody's lips are different, their pH levels are different, so it'll work differently on you, and the color payoff will be different. So I'm just applying the lipstick, and it's pretty good. See, my God, the color changed so fast. I thought it'll take some time and all, but it changed pretty fast. Okay. Wow. I mean, it like a lip balm, I can say. It's not like a lipstick. Don't expect a color payoff that you can expect from a lipstick. More like a lip balm. It's pretty soft, moisturizing, and it gives the glow. Mm. Everything is good about this. It's so cool. All if I had to say about this product, I really enjoyed using this product. The concept is pretty fun. The packaging is nice, it's not flimsy, and it's super affordable price point wise. It's hydrating. It's not too sticky or thick on my lips. Pretty good, and it gives that glow, that sparkle on my lips, which I really loved. And the smell is also pretty good. Like it's fruity, it has a watermelon scent to it. But only thing I didn't like it is its taste. It's bitter, very bitter aftertaste it has that I didn't like. So yeah, so Essence Cosmetics have really nailed it with this one. But if you can improve the taste of this product, it would be good. Otherwise, I'm really impressed by this product. I would give it a thumbs up. So that's it for today's review of the Electric Glow Color Changing Lipstick by Essence. So let me know in the comments box if you have tried this product or planning to pick up this product. So if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video for more beauty reviews and makeup related videos. So till then, bye.